Okay, this is, what is today, Wednesday, July 20th. Lion has been released. I've just finished my download. It took maybe tops an hour, and I'm about ready to hit the install button and just wanted to document this process. So bear with me while I start downloading Lion. Check it out. Do I agree? I am going to agree without reading the whole thing. I'm going to put it on my main internal drive. Show all disks. I guess that's for like if you wanted to put it somewhere else. Maybe that's for backing up, making a... Maybe that's how you would go about making a physical DVD backup of it. I am not going to do that. I am just going to do the install. Actually, before I do that, I do have a couple things running. I'm going to close my activity monitor, and I'm going to, close the Mac App Store. I'm going to close my mail, and let's go back to the Lion install, and I'm going to hit the install button. Put in my password. This part you don't need to see. What is my password? I think that should be it. Preparing to install. About 3 minutes. So this might be a very boring 3 minutes for you. Here we are, just a couple seconds left, and it will be installing. There it says, countdown. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Goodbye, Snow Leopard. It was nice knowing you. Now, one thing about Lion that's a little scary is in all the images I've seen, they've taken a lot of the color out of things like the Finder and some other apps, so I'm a little nervous about how that's all gonna look on this new system, but I guess I'll have to just get used to it. Nice Apple logo, spinning gear. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Thinking. Looks like it's gonna start up. I'm gonna have to log in and all that good stuff. Installing. "33 minutes. Oh, okay. In case you're wondering, Mother is the name of my hard drive. I was inspired by that movie Alien. So, I don't think I'm going to make you wait 33 minutes to go through this process. We will come back. Okay, so we're back. And looks like we've got about just under a minute or so left for this install to happen. It's been a while, actually. It's been... Let me see, what time is it now? Yeah, I guess it is close to 30 minutes since the install started. So it is on schedule. Although it does feel like it's taking a lot longer. You know how it is when you're excited for something. It's definitely been more than a minute. Oh, here it goes. The bar is totally filled up now. Colors wants to restart in 10 seconds. I'm just going to, oh, it's going to do it on its own. So, successfully installed. Computer restarting. Okay. Nice Apple logo. That's the same. Nothing different there. The little iconic gear thingy spinning underneath it. Nothing different there. Just how we were in Snow Leopard. And here we go. Aha! Nice new login screen. You see on the Apple logo with your picture and name underneath, and to put in your password, and below you got simple icons for sleep, restart, and shutdown. It's got kind of like a fabric background, if you can tell that or not, I'm not sure. Let's see what I can do here with the password. Oh, it gave me back my original desktop. That's interesting. I might have to change that back to, I want that to be the standard Lion desktop, but we'll see how that goes. Ooh, something new in the dock. A number of new things in the dock. We've got this tuxedo thing. I don't know what that is. That's FaceTime next to it. All these other things were there before. Over here, though, right next to the Finder, two new icons. I think that's Launchpad over here. Yep. And then that's going to be Mission Control. Let's go up and check about this Mac. And there we are, OS 10 10.7. Ooh, looks like we're getting a video. Messaging agent wants to use your confidential information. I don't know what messaging agent is. We'll just say okay. Ooh, a tutorial on how to scroll. I am using a trackpad. To continue, scroll to the bottom of the text and click Start using Mac OS X Lion. Oh, see, and this is where it's different. This is where it's like an iPad or iPhone or something, where you're, instead of scrolling down on your trackpad, you want to scroll up on your trackpad like you're pushing the page up. And you see how that scroll bar appears when I'm touching the trackpad. I think that's going to take some people getting used to, but actually I've found myself, since using the iPad and using my trackpad on my Mac, you know, scrolling in the opposite way than the Mac wanted me to. So I think I'm already conditioned to do this the right way. So I'm going to go over here, click Start using your Mac OS X Lion. If you can't tell, I'm a Pottermore fan. Harry Potter person. And I guess that's it. We are up and running. Let's open up a Finder window. And there we are with our horribly grayed out icons. Ugh. Ugly as snot. But I'll probably be able to fix all that good stuff. That's my own doing. Oh, look at favorites. Oh, I have not not seen that before. Wow. Applications. Oh, my applications have color, thank goodness. It's just those sidebars, those source windows, the Finder, the iTunes, iMovie, not iMovie, but iPhoto. They just take out all those colors, so it's gonna take some getting used to getting to see all that, I think. But I am up and running, and I cannot wait to jump into the glory that will be um, Mac OS X Lion. There we go.